Hi, my name is Stephanie, and I'm just going to be giving you a quick overview of my portfolio website. I decided to use Wix as my site maker because I'd never used it before, and I decided that I wanted to do something new. I chose this template because I think it has a lot of contrast. The black background really makes the white text come out, and I can change the color of the border, so I can do something that's, a little more me, and I can make this a little bit more personalized. And with that, all of the different tabs that I have here in the menu bar, they all have consistency because they all have that same, right now it's a bright blue, but black background, and everything really flows really well together, which is also why I liked this format. And with something like this for this page, I can establish the proper hierarchy, so I can have like the introduction up here, a picture of what it is that's going on in this page, whatever it is that project 2 is going to be. I can have the introduction here, and then I can have all my findings down here, and I think that it'll look really well and it'll flow really well, and I can group everything together in their proper spots with one another. Overall, this was just a really basic shell, and I plan on definitely going back and making a lot of changes, and I just wanted to make sure that I had a page available for each of the different topics. Thanks.